How to transfer from Apple Pay Cash to bank account. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your Apple Pay Cash to your bank account. So first, open the wallet app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple Cash card. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you want to transfer and be sure to check your balance beforehand. Here, you will have two options. You can either choose instant transfer, where the money transfer instantly but there's a small fee. Or if you can wait 1 to 3 business days, this option is free but it takes a little longer. If this is your first time, you will need to add your bank account. Tap the Add Bank Account and enter your routing number and account number. After confirming the details, tap transfer and you are done. Your money will be on its way to your bank. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.